we say the word that day I said, ball, okay, or ballot. What is the time frame for saying that just that word ball or ballot or butterfly? How long does it take to say these words?
It's about a second.
Second, maybe less than a
Yes,
second.
less than a
Ball,
second. Ball.
butterfly, okay, ballot. Potato. How long does it take to say these things? Hardly any time. But during that time, are you aware of how many movements have occurred of all the articulators? Let me demonstrate that to you. Ball. This is the spelling, and I am writing it in IPA, which are IPA symbols are the actual sounds. Okay. The IPA symbols, whenever you see this kind of a bracket, you know that what is written, it is in IPA symbols. So, that sound. Okay. Then the vowel here is O. So the IPA symbol is this. I'll show it to you afterwards. Ba and ball. Okay. There is nothing. It is ball. It is not baller. Now, just for this sound, the minimum requirements for this sound are that the lips have to be completely closed. This, I will describe it. This is how we study in phonetics. B as in ball. What kind of a sound is it? It is a bilabial, voiced, plosive. Voice, manner and place. The place for this is bilabial.
Both lips.
Bilabial. Both the lips are required. Both the lips are required. You cannot say ball with only one lip. Both the required. Bilabial, voiced, plosive. The place is bilabial, two lips. Manner is, it's sort of, the breath is held momentarily behind closed lips. You can't say all, unless there is a breath there. It will be very weak. You have to say ball, and it is released with an audible plosive. The manner is that breath stream held momentarily behind closed lips is released with an audible plosive. You can hear it. And the vocal cords of, there is voice. It is a voiced plosive. It is, the vocal cords are vibrating. The voicing, the vocal, and my God, I will show you that even for the larynx, how many movements take place for that voicing to occur. Okay, so all these movements have to occur within a split second just for the sound B. Now even the B that you heard, there is a vowel there. Okay, from this closed lips, bilabial, voiced, plosive, vocal cords are vibrating. From that, immediately go to this vowel, ba, Now that is not just going to happen just like that. That is a sort of a back vowel. The tongue will have to come a little backwards. You feel the tongue. You just say and notice the position of your tongue. Where is it? It is a central back vowel, I think. I think I've forgotten my vowel diagram. There's a sort of, vowel diagram that we call. The approximate positions needed of the tongue within the mouth for all these vowels, E, O, E, R, O, U. There are so many vowels there. So this is an it is a back vowel. Unless my tongue has gone to that position for you are not going to get The tongue has to go in that exact position. Otherwise you are not going to get you are going to get whatever it is. So all those three movements, which of course Voicing also, why does voicing happen? Because the vocal cords are moving, no? This doesn't happen just like that. The cords are tensed and they start vibrating to that particular frequency. So again, motor movement, our body is doing all that. All that synchronized movement. Okay, and then the tongue has gone to this position, tongue needed for all the vowel, and then immediately, again, all vowels are voiced. So voice goes on. In the word ball, the voice doesn't stop at all. The voice is continuous. Ah, ball, ball. It's not stopped anywhere. If it had been a voiceless thing, the voice would have to stop. I will demonstrate to you. So I would have had to start the voice and restart the voice. Start the voice and stop the voice. Start the voice, stop the voice. For it is not even l. For my tongue has become a sort of a groove. It's a l is a lateral sound. The tongue has become long and narrow, and the breath stream is passing by the sides. That is why it is called a lateral. Okay, so this is a lateral sound. My tongue has gone into that position. The airstream is going this thing and out of the mouth. The tongue is thrust forward. There's a description of every consonant. That is how you analyze these sounds. So the tongue has had to go. So for that I need that control, isn't it? And we are not even thinking about it. And it stays at that. Ball. It stayed that. So all these movements have to happen within milliseconds. Absolutely. So what fine motor coordination there is required when a child doesn't have gross motor coordination, is not able to close the mouth. Let me give you another word now. How all these things are very, very, it's not just, I'm not just telling you stories.